Welcome back. Today I would like to share you an application called PostBox. This one it is still in beta, but it allows you to see a news that related to Jailbreak. For example, you can see the tweak that has just been updated, and the new tweak will be available here. And you can see from the community as well, from Reddit especially. So you can view it from here. But as I told you, it is still in beta, so the application is still like have some bug, but you can use it just fine. But when I scroll just like that, it is a bit lag, but it is okay. Overall, with the interface, it is very good. So you can see here, and you can see a description related to the tweak that you are currently viewing. And right here we have package, so where you can see the tweak from different category. For example, I can just click on themes, just like that, so you can see the theme that available, and you can just read the description and you can view it from here. So let's go to the next one, and you also have apparent, so you can see some tweaks that related to the customization on apparent. And we also have media. So let's go to media here, and you can also view the repo from here. So just click at the bottom, and you can see some of the repo, and you can also search. But like I told you, it is still in beta, and if you want to install it right now, you need to have TestFlight, where you can download from the App Store. So you can go ahead and search for TestFlight in the App Store, and then you can click from the link in my video description to download PostBox. So let me show you first. So you can go to TestFlight right here, so you can download it, and I have already downloaded. And all you have to do after that, you can click on the link from my video description, and then you should be able to install PostBox. And thanks for watching, and this is a quick update, and then we'll see you guys in the next one.